Well, welcome back, folks. You know what today is? Of course you do. It's Christmas Eve day. That means we are on sticker sheet number, let's hope I'm right, 24. Yay! One more day after this. Oh my God. Okay. Oh, some more sparkly holographics. Put this on a flat background for you. This is from Studio Paper Bear. And these look to be all manner of very cute frogs. Frog umbrellas, frog planters. Okay, we're going with the big one, which is a frog reading a book while sitting on a log with a flower. Seems good. Let's hope there we go. Comes right off. Just that one day was a problem. Okay, we'll put him there. And I like the frog wizard with the little wizard's hat on and the wand. That's adorable. So we'll put them there. Like I said, we can afford to splurge at this point. Frog on the toadstool. That's very cute. There we go. Those are our three there. And down here, we can do another flower. Put that over here next to this flower. Another flower, sure, we can do that. Ta-da! All right, Christmas Eve day completed. I hope everybody's ready. Santa comes tonight. You've all been good, right? I haven't, but you know, all of you have, right? See you on the big day tomorrow.